has there's rain in the forecast, so this puddle's gonna be twice as big tomorrow.
Yeah! Get the CTV weather with Michael Coos, working for you.
We're getting him in a hurry. He's non-responsive to pain. He's in chief of surgery.
Wait a second. This is how it happens. Still here.
Ladies and gentlemen, Whoopi Goldberg.
Like so many millions of people around the world, I adored Whitney Houston. Now, the first time I met Whitney, she saved my life. We were in London at the Free Nelson Mandela concert when two giant black men, her security guards, grabbed me because apparently I was in the way. I then heard a magnificent voice say, "Stop! That's Whoopi. Put her down. Because she will cut you." So I owe Whitney a lot. What all performers want and need and should get is love. And many of us here loved Whitney. And And even if you're one of those who didn't show the love to Whitney, now is your chance. Because tonight...